Okay, sorry for that. What happened was that the thread came off the tensioner here, and it wasn't tensioning right. But right now I got it fixed. I know I probably should have fixed it on camera, but then the video will be extra long. So now, like I said, I have 4 layers of 500 denier nylon fabric. I believe this one is a PU, right? A polyurethane coating, right? Or spray. Actually, it's not the rubber backing one. Right, and then this is not too thick, nylon 1-inch webbing. Okay, and you can see that it sews perfect. Okay, reverse it. Okay, you know, the machine will have its limits, like all house machines. Okay, but if you look at it, it sews fairly well. Right, let's take that up. Let's take you out. Now, I'm not gonna tell you that this machine will sew leather. See, the stitches look pretty good on this webbing. Right, I believe we should be able to double it. Right, let's find out what is the threshold. Right, see, so right now 2 layers of webbing with 4 layers of 500D nylon fabric. Okay, so right here we have 2 layers of 1-inch nylon webbing and 4 layers of 500 denier nylon fabric. So this machine will sew it easily. Like I said, leather wise, it depends if you're doing garment leather, right? You know, on the machine I have a but I don't sew leather. I mean, I do, but I do vegetable tan. I'm not gonna tell this machine will sew through leather belts, and it will, but the machine is not built for that. Okay, the machine is built for sewing fabric, and you can see here if you're gonna be doing, you know, some tactical gear, you know, light gear, nothing, you know, 1085 denier, you know, ballistic nylon stuff. I mean, it'll probably do 2 layers of that stuff. Okay, but it works just fine. You know, and then you saw the speed. So then, you know, has the attachment plates here where you could attach you could attach your, what's that called, you go do attachments. Like this is a binding attachment. Okay, and you know, just hold on by some screws right here. Let's see if I could do this on camera. These screws are slippery. But anyway, you get the gist of it, right? See, so you put, you know, you just tighten it up like that. You get yourself some either coarse grain, or this one is cotton, or you get yourself some polypropylene, you know, 1-inch polypropylene, you know, binding. My favorite spot is oh, what's the name of the place? Country Books, right? You can go to Amazon, buy it on Amazon. Anyway, so I know this is supposed to be a sale video, but I just want to show you guys what it could do, what it cannot do. Now, I haven't done this yet, and I think we have to adjust it, right? Let's see. Right, I haven't done this yet. and we're gonna find out if this baby could sew binding. I think the teeth on this is not so aggressive, right? The feed dogs, right? But so far it's working good. You could see, right? And the way this works, you always got to go to the corner. Let's see. Sometimes it might work, right? Sometimes it doesn't. I mean, we watched my other video on binding the edges of the backpack, right? I have a video about binding edges, and I'll show you, but that's different. I'm using polypropylene. I'm just gonna do it here fast, right? This is a selling video for you guys out there. Okay, let me show you foot is down. And there we go. So the cotton, see it? Look at that. So right now, that's how strong this machine is. That you get, you gotta fix when you're going through. I'm just going through fast. But you got 2 layers of cotton binding tape. You have 4 layers of 500 denier nylon fabric. And then you have 1 layer of 1-inch nylon webbing. Right? In the center here is folded up, so now you got 2 layers plus the fabric. But this is just to show you that the attachment here, right, will work with, the attachment will do binding tape. So it's up to you. Okay, so if you're interested, it's gonna be the eBay link on the description. And hey, if you shipping is gonna be probably about $40, because eBay with the fees, the post office with their fees. It's crazy times, people. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on eBay. Thank you very much.